Hi, my name's Juliana Estrada, and I am going to present to you a short overview of my module, which is here, Module 2, Self-Compassion for the Helping Professional. We'll click here to get inside, and I'm not going to read the module to you, of course, but I am going to just show you the highlights. Here's the introduction, the learning objectives, and then scrolling down will bring you to the required content and the readings. Most of these readings are very brief. There are research studies and a few assessments or assignments, if you will. Activities is the word that I like to use. The goal of this module is just to introduce the concept of self-compassion. If you have any questions or concerns, you can contact me via email, and I will do my best to respond within 24 hours, but usually I respond, well under 24 hours. The blue links will take you to other pages. It's pretty self-explanatory, but I sure appreciate your interest in this module, and I hope that you find it, or the information, as important as I do. So best of luck to you, and thank you.